Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to block contacts on Tinder. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go open Tinder. And after that, go to chats or to chat. And after that, you have to go to the person that you want to block. And of course, you can block someone that is not matching with you by just going to their profile and go to the block option and click on yes, block. And after that, I'm done. And if you want to block someone from your contacts, you have to go to their profiles. And after that, go and click on the three dots on the top right of the screen. And after that, as you can see, the second option is block. And after that, you have to click on yes, block. And that's it. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.